Scrum or in Agile, what all reports or reporting methods and trackers you prepare and follow?
Again, this question is primarily attacking on the depth of your Agile implementation.
Right.
So it's more like if you have little informal shallow implementation, you may have nothing, because if you have a one co-located team and they are just focusing on sprint retrospective sprint reviews, then you may not produce any specific report or document. But if you have little distributed teams and if you have a little complex stakeholder environment, then you may produce many reports. Some of the frequently seen reports in a complex environment is a proper summary of sprint. So what happened? Now this is, again, you need to see as your role and you match it with your previous experience. As a Scrum Master, you might have a role with product owner, you might have a role with the development team and the organization and the stakeholders. So how do you ensure that everybody is aligned? So there is a possibility of the burn down chart and other things which you read in your CSM classes remains relevant. They are definitely remains relevant. But on top of that, if the stakeholder management is complex, then you may have a sprint closing report kind of stuff, whatever name you give it to, but it could be a proper one page or 2 page content, which may go to a lot of stakeholders where they know how things are moving. So that kind of thing may come in. Again, the standard, the tracking burn down charts and tracking velocity may remain relevant. But when you speak about them in your interviews, you also need to be clear what actions you do based on that. So if you say that we also maintain burn down chart, then better to say it that we maintain burn down chart, which helps us in doing ABC. And it also helps in engaging with stakeholders. If you have been putting it into a visual space, then you talk about that, okay, we have a burn down chart which was placed it on a visual space where anybody could see it. If you are not using that, then you might be using electronic tool. Then you use that electronic tool name that, okay, we have a XYZ tool, and that tool, we have these 4 reports configured. And these 4 reports helps us in getting this. And I also share with stakeholders frequently these reports.
Okay.
So pick up the project context. Now, if you go on internet, you can pick up all Agile matrices, but a good interviewer will dig deep into it, because he will feel that just naming the matrix is not the goal. Have you really used it?
Right,
so
right.
Maybe keep limited number, don't talk about too many. And the one which you have seen or used, I think those are the one you should talk more about.